If you texted a guy, how long does he have before he texts you back?
Depends. Like right away.
Right away.
Yeah.
What happens if he doesn't text you right away?
I think that it doesn't work me. What? If he doesn't reply me back right away, it depends. If he's busy working, I mean, depends what he does for a living. Like,
Say he's a really busy man.
I know, I know, and I can wait.
Oh, you can wait.
Yeah,
Okay,
of course.
How long before she can text you back?
Couple hours for, you know, to get a text back from me, but from her it better be like 1 minute. Or we're done.
If you was to text a guy, how long should it take for him to respond to you?
Within 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yes.
What if, like, he's busy?
Well, if he initiated the text, then he should be able to respond right back.
Okay, what if he doesn't respond in 5 minutes?
Then he might not be interested.
Wait, and this is like, say if he's your boyfriend.
Now, if he's my boyfriend and we've already been dating, then, you know, he got a little leeway.
How much leeway?
Maybe, I guess like 30 minutes to an hour.
If you text a guy, how long before he should text you back?
I feel like there's a rule on that. That's a cliche.
Okay. So if he takes like a week to text you back, that's okay?
That's rude.
Okay. So there is kind of like...
Yeah, I mean, there's a fine line of just being rude or being respectful.
If he texts you like one text a day.
And if you're not in a relationship and they're working and say they have children or...
Say if you just text him now, how long before you get upset that he didn't text you back?
It would take the day.
A day, okay. How long before a guy should text you back?
Contact.
You've known this guy for like a month. It's going somewhere, and you've gone a couple days and stuff like that. And now he texted you. You texted him back, and how long before?
He texted me and I'm texting him back, and then now I'm
Oh my God! No. You text him back, and now you're waiting. Yeah, you're waiting.
Yeah, no opinion. 2 hours.
2 hours. If it takes longer than 2 hours, then what?
Then I'm a patient person.
Okay, so you wouldn't care, right? How fast do you expect the guy to text you back?
As soon as I text him, if he wants to text back.
Oh, damn, that was quick.
As soon as I text, if you want to text back. You shouldn't take longer than an hour.
Okay.
Longer than an hour, then I'm probably not going to text back.
What if he takes longer?
If he takes longer, I'm not going to text back. You're not
Serious?
interested. Well, like after. Like if you
After.
text him and be like, sorry, I didn't
Oh,
text you
so that's
back. Yeah.
Okay,
But it needs to be a good one. If you're like, oh, sorry, I didn't see your text. That's not okay.